Nolan Saumure controversial video clip stirred Indians' self-proud when he said in a video that Indians took foreigners as walking ATM, while Pakistani people treat them like guests. They even show exrea hospitality, give foreigner tourists honor and free food. Some offer to stay their place free of cost. This video boiled many Indians. The video attracted 4.4 million views. Indian view was that Indian tourism industry is well established, while the same in Pakistan is under development. That is why Indian takes foreign tourists on a commercial basis. But it got more burning when an African tourist showed agreement with the Saumure point of view. Some Indians said that foreign tourists must not expect a princess treatment. To this point, Saumure himself responded that there is a difference between treating like princess and being harassed. Actually, treating aliens or tourists like guests is a tradition in Pakistan. This tradition is culturally rooted deep inside in the Pakistani society, especially KPK province, Balochistan, and Azad Kashmir, especially. Even the people of Sindh and Punjab also treat foreign tourists with great hospitality. Secondly, Pakistani tourism is not under development. The issue lies in some religious limitations. However, while visiting Pakistan, tourists care about norms of culture and religion. Indian perspective gets weak when Pakistan is more expensive as compared to India due to recent economic crisis and political instability, but even then, tourists admire Pakistan and its people treatment. In recent years, Pakistan has expected more foreign tourists.